Hi guys, welcome back to our channel TechUp. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to leave group in Messenger from your PC. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your Messenger application or go to Messenger website from your browser. Once you have logged into your account, this type of interface will appear in your screen. From the chat section, hover your mouse to the group that you want to leave. Then you can see 3-dot button on the side. Click to that 3-dot button. There you can see a leave group option. Click to leave group. For confirmation, click to leave group again. Then you will be leaving that group. This is how you can leave group in Messenger on PC. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.